All right, everybody, we are back for another property tour. My name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We try to do a variety of different property tours in different parts of our city to see what each area has to offer. This time we are in beautiful North Saanich. This is a brand new build listed by our good friend Dan Juricic over in Remax Camosun. And as we pan around, you're gonna notice they have absolutely beautiful views of the ocean. The ocean is right across the street, completely unobstructed views. You're gonna notice we've got 3 bedrooms upstairs, we've got a den downstairs, and this home is perfect for everybody because it even comes with an elevator. Well, why don't we go have a look? All right, standing in front of the house, you're gonna notice a two-tone look to it, fits really nicely in the area. Like I said, pan across the street, unobstructed view. So that's just a bank right down to the beach there. So nobody's gonna be building in front of you. Really nice interlocking brick that the developer used here. Natural gas fireplace out front. Really like the black window trim around. We're gonna loop around to the back of the house here. There is your 2-car garage. And as I mentioned, this house is in North Saanich, giving you a little bit more of a rural setting, which means a little bit more of a backyard here. Here is your coat closet. When we pan down, you're gonna notice a couple of extra slots for your shoes here. And right after that, we're gonna loop around the den, but I wanna talk about what I absolutely love about this property. And that is all the different textures involved with it. You can kind of see it with the wooden slats of the stairs right there. It mirrors on the exterior of the building when we're walking along the side of the garage there. Kind of that limestone, sandstone feeling to it. And as I turn around here, you're gonna see how they incorporated this into the home. Camera doesn't fully pick it up on that fireplace there, but take a look at the ceiling above. Fantastic texture feel to it, not just your classic drywalled ceiling. Have that recessed lighting in there, really beautiful, and they threw in some hardwired speakers. But here is the fireplace, natural gas fireplace with a recessed area for your TV, so there will be a TV input in behind that painting there. Camera kind of picks up that texture that I'm talking about, but I really like it. Brings the whole home together and really brings it to life rather than a standard kind of spec home new build that we've been seeing. So here is your living, dining, kitchen combo. As standard with a lot of new builds now, we got a great size island. You can see 4 chairs set up there, waterfall along the side, and looking above at that range hood right above the oven there, you can see the pot filler, but that range hood has got that same limestone feel to it as the chimney, or excuse me, as front of the fireplace, and just really ties in the property together. Here is the butler pantry, just a bit of extra storage, another sink, and you can see that slot, that's where the microwave would be going. Now, what I also like about this property is the backsplash. So kind of classic white subway tile has been used for quite some time. Now we're starting to see a lot more, not only 2-tone kitchens, but also starting to see the quartz or marble or whatever countertops you're using going up along the backsplash into the cabinets. So this would be considered your pantry, and right next to it is going to be your powder room. And then pretty standard, here is your 2-car garage. I don't catch it, but right around the corner, that's going to be where your furnace and your hot water tank is, your hot water on demand, I should say. And then in this closet, that would just be, you know, your mudroom, right? Coming in from the house, you could throw everything in there. But what I like about this property, as I mentioned in the intro, and forgive me as I struggle to open the door here, is, there it is, your elevator. And again, what I mentioned, what I love about this house is the different textures involved with it. So here, it's a glass staircase, glass railing. Look at those slats, you know, really nice. Just adds just a little bit more of a luxury feel to the property, overlooking the backyard. Really nice chandelier light fixture there. Again, just one step extra. So we got 3 bedrooms on this floor here. So this first bedroom is the second largest aside from the primary. So it's gonna be 10'1" by 11'8" now. That wall does slant in a little bit, so you do lose a bit of room, but still a fantastic size. We're gonna turn the corner here. This is the smallest bedroom up against the street here. This is 9'10" by 9'8". Of course, each bedroom does come with closet and organizers. You can see right there, it is a flat roof. So it is an asphalt torch on roof. So you got about 50 odd years with that roof. And of course, there's the new home warranty associated with it as well, which we talk about in other videos. Coming around the corner here, there is just the main floor bathroom for those 2 bedrooms. Of course, primary's got its own there. And we're starting to see this a lot more common. We're starting to see front loaders that are actually raised up a little and just helps out with the back. Another great thing about this laundry room is you've got plenty of storage, plenty of places to hang your laundry. That is your access point to your elevator. And here's the primary bedroom, 14'3" by 12'3", 11-foot ceilings. And here's your walk-in closet, great size. Now I don't have the lights on, but those rods actually individually light up as well. Again, just one step further for that more luxurious feel. Take a look at the view. Generally, you don't see the primary at the front of the house, but because that's where the water is, the developer decided that would be the next best place for it. And you got a great little patio out there to start your day off with a cup of coffee. And into the primary bathroom. Large soaker tub. I don't really catch the best of it, but they've got a great light fixture right above it. Backlit mirrors and a fantastic sized walk-in shower. And a little wash closet as well. Of course, all bathrooms in here are going to have the heated floors. And that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I absolutely love this part of the job, being able to walk through different properties and showcase their incredible features. If you liked the video, please give us a like. If you like the idea of it, please subscribe to our channel. We try to get through as many property tours as we can and also have great content to make you a better buyer and seller. If you do have interest in this property, please do not hesitate to reach out. All of our contact info will be absolutely everywhere throughout the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.